last. Happy birthday, my
kabuhat?
One.
Ano ba iyan? Sige! Alright, ang third contestant po natin ay macho! Siyempre, macho boss ka sir. Ikaw ganyan pinakauna sir. Dito sa center. Macho boss! Kasali ka po sa pinaka-macho. Ready? And 3, 2, 1! Macho! Sige sir! Kabalo ko, hindi ka magpa-pwede. Macho boss ka pa! Okay, ready po tayo! And 3, 2, 1! Macho! Ano ba last po natin? Si Dobby Mark, ikaw na po sir. Kasi nagkitago ka ba na sir nag-practicean mo na okay, sa center ka na po sir. And 3, 2, 1! Macho! Brown, wala ka pong bangka. Si dami naman yan. Alright, F4, ikaw po hahawak ng dami naman yan. Okay, ready po tayo, sir. Ikaw ka na ulit sa microphone. Dalawa pa yung grupo. Sige, ready? Look here.
Ako naman kaya! Go away! You loser! Five, six, seven, Jolly Town na pero di ka mo. Kami ang Jolly Town, tuli na ka mo.
Marcos Anton can last. Happy birthday, Marcos Anton can last. happy birthday. Here are some blessings. Birthday wishes for a son, McCoy, emphasizing love, pride, and prayers for your good future. Such as happy birthday to my heart and soul, McCoy. Watching you grow has been the greatest journey of my life. And I'm so grateful for the blessing. You can also say, my dearest son, McCoy. You are my greatest achievement and my unwavering joy. I pray your birthday is filled.
Sa birthday party, we took a picture muna together with Baskin Jody. Okay, mga backwards muna, kids. Okay, mga backwards at night. Okay, mga backwards. Let's give time muna kay Marcus. Makina-picture muna si Marcus. Marcus, that exclusive. Jody Love. Alright, thank you so much, Baskin Marcus. This will maging malakas at matando. Very good, Baskin Jody. And the second wish, Baskin Jody for you, Marcus. This will maging may pananampalataya sa Diyos. Very good, Baskin Jody. And third wish, Baskin Jody for you, Marcus. This will maging always happy like our best friend, Jollibee. Alright, thank you so much, best friend Jollibee. At syempre, hindi lang din yan, hindi lang po pa-picture, gift, and wishes ang gano'n na best friend Jollibee for Marcus and for everyone. So let us best friend Jollibee! Jollibee! Dance! So when Jollibee will dance, kayo more back to the best friend. And now, this time, let's give it up and show it up to our best friend, your best friend and my best friend, Jollibee! Before anything else, Mommy and Daddy, ma-ask you na kung ano ang wishes niyo for Marcus. Let's start with you, Mommy. Marcus, happy birthday! Are you happy? Yes. Yes. So, happy birthday! Love ka ni Mama. Good health lang per me. Tapos, always pray kay si Magane. Din ka ma-pray? Ako. Din ka ma-pray? Baba Jiva. Thank you.
Ang bawang good health ng happy birthday.
Ayan, thank you so much. And what about you, Ate? What is your wish for your baby brother? Ano yung wish? Good Lord. Good heart. Good heart lang. Good heart. Ayan, good health lang po. Alright, so thank you. Kan galain ang chimpong, galain ang pamatsyag, pero sige Japon. Salamat sa nag-celebrate kay Marcus, upod kay Marcus birthday, kagtani na suntuig naman. That's it. Thank you. God bless guys. Hindi na ako makalusilong. Wait lang. Halong sa pagpuli. Nasa naman.
Marcos Anton can last. Happy birthday. Marcos Anton can last. Happy birthday. Here are some blessings. Birthday wishes for a son McCoy, emphasizing love, pride, and prayers for your good future. Such as happy birthday to my heart and soul, McCoy. Watching you grow has been the greatest journey of my life. Son McCoy, you are my greatest achievement and my unwavering joy. I pray your birthday is filled with all the love and happiness.